IMSA fans, it is time for another one cool thing about IMSA cars. This is a personal pick for me. This is my favorite thing from the entire 2023 season. What is this? This is a damper or some sort of aerodynamic piece we're going to look at? No. It's Cadillac in their EV electric vehicle launches. First got a glimpse of this, which blew my mind in preseason testing at Daytona. In their preseason livery, we see the Cadillac Racing V-Series.R take off on electric power, and then boom, like a cannon, fires off. That big 5.5 liter V8 naturally aspirated motor. We got a couple of great passes like this, and then we start getting to some of the racetrack where fans are, and they're falling in love with it. They're saying it's the absolute best, and I'm in total agreement. We got some great additional looks thanks to Cadillac Racing from inside one of the cars, what it sounds like and looks like for the drivers when they launch on pure electricity from that hybrid battery and then fire up that V8 motor to finish their path leaving down pit lane. And then we got another great look at this with the Action Express Racing Cadillac team. You gotta be here, you gotta see it, you gotta hear it. Cadillac's EV launches. Not just one cool thing about IMSA cars, to me, the coolest thing in all of 2023, all thanks to this amazing new hybrid GTP class.
Make sure you follow along with us on IMSA's official YouTube channel and follow IMSA Racing on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and X. We're going to be doing some pretty cool stuff with some pretty cool people with some pretty cool race cars. Visit IMSA.com to hear the action called live and download the official IMSA app to follow the timing and scoring information as the sessions take place.